We're going to show you how to see the Wi-Fi password on your iPhone. Whether you need to share it with someone or connect to another device, knowing how to find your Wi-Fi password can be very handy. Before we start, please remember to like the video and share it. Thank you a lot. First, unlock your iPhone and go to the home screen. Tap on the Settings app to open it. In the Settings menu, tap on Wi-Fi. This will take you to the Wi-Fi settings page, where you can see all the available Wi-Fi networks. Find the Wi-Fi network you are currently connected to. It should have a check mark next to it, indicating that you are connected. Tap on the information icon, I, next to the network name. In iOS 16 and later, after tapping the information icon, you will see various details about the network. Look for the Password section. Tap on the Password field. Your iPhone will prompt you to authenticate using Face ID, Touch ID, or your device passcode. Authenticate to view the password. The Wi-Fi password will now be visible. Also, you can now tap on the copy button to copy the password and send it with the Messenger or any other messaging app. And that's it. You now know how to see the Wi-Fi password on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips and tricks. As always, if you have any questions or requests for future videos, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.